20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than the ones you actually did. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the wind in your sails, explore, dream, discover, said famously once Mark Twain. Hello. I'm Sushil Shamlal Wadhwa, and today I am at Dubai at the launch of Odyssey Yacht Charter, the largest consolidator of luxury yachts in UAE, and I am on the biggest party boat in Dubai called the Lotus. This yacht is just perfect for all kinds of celebration for up to 500 guests. Let me show you this yacht and all the special moments and how you can go about celebrating life. Lotus was built in 2017. It is all of 220 feet or 62 meters long. It is spread over 5 decks on an area of 30,000 square feet. It comes with a 42,000 liter swimming pool, multiple jacuzzis, 9 guest rooms, 8 crew rooms, a restaurant, a nightclub, a 60 theater cinema hall, What more can you ask for having any kind of celebration?
Live with Odyssey Yacht Charter. Hi, I'm Shamlal and I'm celebrating live with Odyssey Yacht Charter.
Now that you've seen what Odyssey Yacht Charter has to offer with the amazing Lotus yacht that's good for 500 people, I'm sure you want to experience it at some time. I have good news for you. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it on your social media handles, leave a comment with your feedback, send us a mail at info@platinumworld.net, and we will get you a chance to win a special celebration on the Lotus yacht. As you keep finding reasons to celebrate, I will keep finding beautiful locations, venues, yachts and cruises so that you can go about celebrating life.